everybody, welcome back. I thought today would be a good day to throw in an extra plan with me in my daily planner. So today I am planning a day in my half letter discs. This is actually today's page. I have been loving this. It's been kind of hard to give up the whole daily disc situation, and it's probably because I just prefer the whole like neutral vibe of this planner right now. So this is how like the last couple of days have looked. Nothing super fancy. I even threw in some pumpkins. Maybe that's a little bit fancy. I don't know. I really like it. I actually skipped using this planner for like a whole week. As you can see, here's Monday, here's Sunday, and then, you know, just kind of going about my life, using my daily in here, just feeling like this is just the right planner for me right now. So let me grab this page. Now, my pages are predated because I went ahead and put some planner Kate stickers in here, and it just kind of helps with planning out the week at least. I don't plan too far in advance in my daily pages, but I like having the dates for at least a few days out so that I can get an idea if I have to plan something ahead. I've got that. So one of the exciting things though is that I just got some mail and I got my order from Chrissy Ann Designs reopening. I told you guys I didn't order anything like super like wow, but I know that I wanted to order stickers specifically for a more like minimalistic approach to planning and just needing a few things, not a lot. So I ordered the weekend banners. I ordered 4 sheets of that, 2 in the colorful and 2 in the gray scale because again, I'm kind of loving the neutral vibes. And then I just went ham and ordered like 8 sheets of work stickers because apparently that's my life these days. But I am loving using these in my planner. So I'm going to grab this sheet because I know that I'm going to use that as far as stickers go, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get started. Lately, I have been using this marker from Erin Condren. I think it came out last year. I'm not even sure, to be quite honest. I believe it comes in a pack. They're not sold individually, but I do like them just to highlight the categories in this planner. They're just a really nice neutral color for this planner, and I'm just going to turn down the brightness just a smidge so you guys can see things a little bit better, I hope. And yeah, I just highlight the different areas on this layout. Love it. The pen I'll be using is the Pilot Precise V5, obviously in the 0.5. This is a needle tip pen. However, I personally think it writes more like a 0.7. I have tried the Pilot Precise V7. I think that it's actually a little bit too thick for me. So this seems to be right, like a good happy medium for me. So I would definitely check this out if you are interested in this pen. And I'll leave a link down below in the description of this video. All right, so what I want to start with is my routines. So AM routine for the morning and PM for the evening. Now this daily does start at 7 a.m., which is not my favorite. I almost wrote PM routine, so now my AM looks all wonky, but that's fine. So it kind of works for me. I'm not a huge fan of it starting at 7. My ideal daily planner would start at like 5 in the morning, of course, because I am an early bird. I wake up early like all the time. All right, so got that down. Next, I pretty much always start with my schedule first. I don't know why, I just do. Sometimes I'll film a plan with me and start like at a different time, but it just kind of depends on how I'm feeling. I'm going to use my ruler this time because, you know, we're going for some straight lines today. And I'm just going to block out time for my work schedule. Now this week, oh my gosh. So as I'm filming this, this is actually quite funny. Let's have a little story time. You guys know I love some story time during my videos. So if you came here to just talk about planning, I'm so sorry. So as I'm filming this, Instagram and Facebook are down, and I've never been happier in my life. You were probably like, wait, what? No, for real. I'm one of those people that was like, oh, it's down. Thank God. I needed a break. It's just one of those things, everyone has kind of been posting things, freaking out, run to Twitter, all this stuff. I'm like, no thanks. I'll just stay in my little corner of the world where it is nice and quiet for 0.5 seconds. Well, like 8 hours down, it's still down. And when I say it's still down, like literally it came back up like 3 minutes ago, but I'm just dying because everyone's posts are the same. They're like, oh my God, I missed you guys. And I'm over here in my tiny introverted bubble where I'm like, I really could have used a whole 72 hours of social media being down. I also realized I just forgot to highlight priorities over here. I know you guys have probably been screaming at the screen. My bad. I'm so sorry. All right, so there's that. Anyway, I've enjoyed the quiet today. It is a Monday when I'm filming this, and oh my God, the whole interwebs going down situation couldn't have come at a perfect time because I was swamped at work. I was kind of getting text messages from friends, all that stuff, and I was like, oh, it's down, okay, it'll be back up in an hour. And then I got back on after work and I was like, oh, I know people are like, my life is over, I know that that's not super accurate, but you know what I mean? Some people really just get all up in their feelings about not being able to connect with people on social media or sell things or whatever. And I'm just like, yeah, I was okay. All right, so I have got an 11 o'clock meeting. So one of the things I've been loving are these matchstick flags from Cloth and Paper. They are freaking awesome, and you can use them as pretty much stickers. You essentially have a couple hundred stickers on these sheets. So I used them on another day. Let me pull that page out for you. And I just kind of liked how it looked on the pages here. I thought that was pretty neat. So we're going to do that again. I don't do this every day because sometimes I'm literally planning in my car during lunch. Like, let's just get some things down on paper. You know what I mean? It's not about being cute. Let's just put it on the paper. All right. So first meeting is at 10 o'clock. And actually, let me move that up because that already changed. Y'all just don't even get it. Like, my world at work is like, woo! It's been a little crazy. Crazy in a good way. It's a very challenging position that I have, but I also really like it because I get to help people. And that's like right up my alley. So, all right. So we have, this one's actually a 9 o'clock meeting. You know how I know, like, Instagram is back up? It's like one message after another. I love you guys though. I really do. But now I have to like put my watch on theater mode so it doesn't go off. Anyway. All right. So we've got a 9 o'clock meeting and then a 11 o'clock meeting. Whew. Those are going to like kind of butt right up against each other because I know that this 9 o'clock meeting is literally not going to end until 11 o'clock, which is fine. It's fine. We got some important things we got to hash out. Plus payroll is due at 11, so we need to be done. All right. I think that is it for meetings tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. If you guys are watching this on Tuesday morning, just send some good vibes my way. All right, let's get on to this to-do list. I'm going to do my priorities, which is going to be medication every day, forever and ever, and then my vitamins. I think I've mentioned this before. I don't take my vitamins in the morning. I simply cannot because of my thyroid medication. They have to be taken at 2 very different times of the day. So then I want to make space for water, and I actually do this a little bit different. So water and then my workout. And I'm sure it's going to be some form of a Peloton ride. I did a ride Sunday night. It was the Britney Spears ride by, the teacher was Cody Rigsby, which you guys know I am obsessed with him. But it was a good ride, you guys. It was a good ride. I highly enjoyed it. It was just good. One of those rides where you're just like more singing and dancing than actually paying attention to how much bodily harm is being caused. Yeah, that's definitely my jam. All right, so for tomorrow, so on Mondays, I'm kind of looking at my Monday sheet over here. So today's 2 things on my to-do list, like watch out world, was put up laundry and run the Roomba downstairs. Tuesdays are a really light day as far as like household chores go. I'm not even going to sit here and throw a whole bunch of things on paper just to make it look like I'm busy. So for right now, we're not going to put anything. I know that that's so weird in the planner community. Sometimes we're just filling pages to look super productive and to make pages look really, really filled up. I'm not about that life right now. I'm like, please, let's just not. Okay, but hopefully if the internet decides to work, I do want to share this daily plan with me and hopefully get to some comments and messages. And then one of the things that I want to do is film my review of the new Power Sheets. They are launching on the 6th. I don't think I'll have my video up on time, but that's totally okay. That's another thing that I've kind of talked about briefly, either on Instagram stories or Instagram lives, and even here and there. I am not about that whole like launch day madness, needing to get the content up. Like, I want to step so far away from that. And I'm enjoying life a lot more since doing that. So there will be a Power Sheets video up, but it will be maybe even the weekend because I didn't know when my package was coming. So yes, it is a PR package. I love that I'm not obligated to say or post or do anything on a specific time frame. I just get to share my thoughts, which is one of the reasons why I like working with that company. And that's just how it's going to be. It'll probably go up over the weekend, so keep an eye out for that. But I will have to get it filmed tomorrow because that's the only time I really have since it just got here today. All right, so we're going to film Power Sheets. And you guys are also helping me test out my nighttime lighting situation, which I've also talked about has not been all that awesome. I mean, I'm so into like not having to buy more equipment to film that I'm just trying to work with what I have and make it the absolute best. So if you can also leave a comment and let me know what you think about this video lighting situation. I'm also going to try and share it in a way where I don't do any post filming edits, i.e. like no brightening or color correction. I very rarely do color correction in my videos anyway, unless I absolutely have to bring the light up on something. But I kind of knew that this was coming. Fall was coming. It's darker earlier. I can't film till after work or on the weekend. So sometimes this just is what it is. So let me know what you guys think. Is this easy on the eyes? Does it look okay? Could there be some improvement? Be nice. All right, so there's that. I do have to follow up on some emails, and I think that that's it. So I may have put an extra dot there. All right, dinner. What's for dinner on Tuesday? I may do burrito bowls. I was going to do tacos, and I'm so over tacos. But burrito bowls are also very, very easy to do. I honestly prefer them with chicken, but I have beef, so I have beef. So that's what we're going to do. All right, let's put this page in here. You guys are probably like, that's it? That's the plan with me? Yeah, for the day it is. I'm not trying to like burn myself out and like hate life and stuff. So anyway, that is it for today's daily plan with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube, because who knows when YouTube's going to go down. That could be next. I'm not trying to speak that into existence. All right, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.